Hey everybody. Just continuing on with Volume 4 here of the History of Middle-earth. This is the shaping of Middle-earth. Quinta, the Embarcantana, or the Embarcanta, and the Annals of Beleriand and Valinor, of course. And this is by J.R.R. Tolkien. Okay, I just want to say first that this is probably my second most favorite book of the entire 12 volumes. Just because it gives you an idea of what Tolkien's universe looked like before and after the War of the Gods, and when the world was changed completely, before Beleriand was submerged and after it was submerged under the ocean. So let's take a look inside and see what's in it. This is the flap. You can pause it and read that if you want to. It's got some pretty cool stuff in there. Just an overview of the book, basically what I'm doing. Let's see. Shaping of Middle-earth. Edited by Christopher Tolkien. And also this contains the earliest Silmarillion and the first map. Okay, so it starts off with some fragments following the Lost Tales. Obviously, the Book of Lost Tales Part 1 and Part 2. And then you have the earliest Silmarillion along with the commentary, and then the Quinta, and then the first Silmarillion map, and then the Embarcanta, which means shape of the world. Then you have the earliest annals of Valinor and Beleriand, and these have some very interesting things in them. One of the coolest parts in the earliest Silmarillion is a tale of. It's at the very end that Tolkien wrote. It didn't get published in the Silmarillion, but here in his first go at it, it tells a story about the ending of times when the Dagor Dagorlath, whenever Melkor would come back through the doors of night when the guard slept, and he would enter into the world, and there will be a battle upon the plains of Valinor, and there he would ultimately be slain and evil cast away forever. And then he gives hints that a new music would form that the Ainur would sing, and a new world would be created in which men might take part in as well. But it's really interesting. It's got some cool stuff like that. Some stories that didn't get published into the original Silmarillion. But let's take a look now at the first Silmarillion map. It's on page 219. Let's go ahead and flip to it. All right. So the first Silmarillion map. Okay, it has a northern half of the map, and then it's got a southern half. Let's look at the northern first. Okay, so you see here at the top, you see Morgoth outlined in what looks to be a pin, and you see Angband up there towards the north, the Mountains of Iron, Tar na Fuin, Gorgoroth, which is here, in this area, the outlining of the mountains. And then, of course, you have Gondolin, the hidden city, Dor-lómin, Beleg, Turin. Several places, orc raids where he intended for the story to go, with the orcs and whatnot. So, alright, let's take a look at the southern map. Okay, so you see more orc raids where the story goes. You got the river Sirion here. Doriath, where Thingol resides, the Wood Elves. It's just very interesting. This is the first creation of a map of the Silmarillion. So this is really cool to see. Later, Christopher Tolkien would do, of course, the map of Beleriand and Middle Earth. It was be a little bit more legible to read. But yeah, that's the shaping of Middle Earth in a nutshell. It's very interesting. If you're looking for it, you need to look on Amazon. Probably about 20 or 30 bucks. But all right, yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.